Okay, so this is my video of me making chicken and shrimp Alfredo. So I added salt to my water. And now I'm showing you my linguine noodles. And I'm going to take them out of the box and break them in half. And then place them in the water. And now I'm opening my pack of chicken. And then next, I'm going to take it out the pack, of course. I'm going to rinse them off. But before I did that, I just decided to get more depth into the steps that I did for some people that don't know how to make this, never made it, or want to try something different. So I rinsed them off, patted them dry as much as I could. As you can see. I'm being a little rough. But gotta get it dry. Seasoning stick better to it when it's dry. And clean as you go. Please and thank you. So here I am cutting out the fat. And then rinse it off once I cut it off. To make sure all of the excess is off. But me saying make sure it's dry and I obviously rinse it again don't make sense. But yeah. So I'm taking the chicken that I have and slice them down the middle so they can be more precise of smaller cuts of chicken than big old gigantic pieces. And then that's how it looks after I cut it. So all you do is cut the chicken tender, chicken breast or whatever you have in half and make them look like this. And then it's not going to particularly look like a square, but you get the image. It look good enough. I'm not a perfectionist with cutting. Sometimes, not all the time. And yes, I know that's a bad knife. I tend to slip my thumb every time I use a good one. So, I got to stick to the dull ones. And I'm being nosy looking at the TV. Because it was getting good, boo. So, I usually cook, I ain't going to say everything, but almost everything with butter. So, before I cooked my chicken, I put my butter in the pan with this garlic powder that I had trouble opening. I'm going to show you a little trick. So, I'm about to grab my fork and stab that paper and peel it on up. Amen. I'm seasoning my chicken, boo. It's a lemon pepper. And be generous with your seasoning. Don't be scared to season. Please don't be. And it's Cajun. I use Cajun in everything. It's just so good, but it is spicy. So if you don't like spicy, don't use a lot or don't use it at all. So here's my lemon pepper Cajun and garlic powder and my butter. And I'm trying to record with one hand and stir with the other one so the darn pan is scooting all over the eye. And I added some more garlic powder. I don't even know if I've been saying the season right the whole time. I don't know. But y'all see it. And then just when it's almost done, you see that good seasoning on that chicken booski. Okay. Now I'm showing y'all how I am prepping the shrimp. So I do believe the shrimp came with the tails and I took them off. And then I just rinsed them and then cut them down the middle. I'm going to come a little close to the screen so you can see, but cut it down the middle. It's a little incision in the middle of shrimp that you can see and cut down the middle, and then I'm just rinsing the veins out because don't nobody want to eat that. And then there's my shrimp, and I am using the same seasoning as I did with the chicken. I'm telling you, sauteing everything with butter seals the deal. Look at his stomach. Bye. I don't know. I use Creole seasoning. I be using everything. So let me just stop talking ahead. But yeah, I just be doing stuff. I don't even remember what I be doing half the time when I be cooking. I just be using seasoning. I feel like I'm gonna be good on it. If you hear my washer, I'm so sorry. Creole, Cajun. I wonder what else I use. I'd be surprised myself, honey. That's what I do. And garlic powder. Like, I look so serious. I can't even take myself serious looking at this and doing this voiceover. I added some more seasoning. I told you, be generous, boo. If you feel like it ain't enough seasoning, add some more. Now look at them good old shrimp. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Play with your mammy. Okay, look at that chicken. All that butter for them shrimp. Yeah, I want to cook that again. That looks so good. And then we are adding the noodles. I had to get my boyfriend to call my phone because what I was doing was too complicated. So yeah, you have to see where it's gonna be his view of recording. I'm struggling, boo. There you go. And if you feel like it's too much noodles, honey, take them out before you put that sauce in there. And if you feel like it ain't enough noodles, add some more. But I had a lot of chicken and shrimp, so. And I love using that brand of both of those. Those are my go-to with Alfredo sauce. A lot of people make from scratch, but I haven't tried it yet. And then my good old garlic bread come in clutch every time. And this is me about to add some Cajun on top. And you know what puts the shebang bang on everything, that good old parsley. Don't play with that parsley, boo. It make everything look better. I promise it do. And then get the stir, boo. And if your Alfredo don't look like this, baby, you need to add some more sauce. Because what is you doing? Please tell me what is you doing. Because y'all know when it gets to sitting, it get dry. We can't be having no dry Alfredo for lunch. Okay? Ooh, Jesus Christ.